What do I need a pimp for? What purpose does he serve with his hands out like he deserves? I work this curve by myself, lay myself open by myself, die 1,000 times in darkened alleyways and foreign cars, snatch wallets and run by myself. I feel scared, lonely, and empty by myself, suffer bruises, tears, and scrapes. I get through the psychological and emotional damage all by myself, so what do I need a pimp for? What purpose does he serve with his hands out like he deserves? I get lost by myself, cry in abandoned buildings by myself. I hate myself all by myself, get high by myself, curl up in molded corners and wish I could die by myself, kick and scream by myself, smile in his face, pretend that my body is his and that it wants to let him in. Dreams of college days in simpler ways, fake moans of pleasure while he distorts his face in grunts and groans, peer at family pictures hanging from keychains, degrading my daddy's name all by myself. I drink by myself. I lost my dance and my spirit all by myself. With the distant some holidays and birthdays by myself. In pain by myself. Wear this cloak of shame by myself. Playing this game by myself. And I know it's hard out there for a pimp. And I know that you would love to book this trick. But I already fight myself, beat myself, tear myself down all by myself. So, what do I need a pimp for? What purpose does he serve with his hands out like he deserves? I got sick by myself, wet by myself, dealt with God all by myself. So thanks for no thanks, but I'll assume all responsibilities for myself. I'll collect and keep all my dollars for myself. I'll eat my own self, my own eye, and make myself cry. I'll make this face by myself, house myself, denounce myself, get mad at myself, feed a dream to my own self. So, what do I need a pimp for? What purpose does he serve with his hands out like he deserves? I do this by myself. All of this is me, myself. I'm a renegade, I'm self-made, I'm self-paid. So, what do I need a pimp for? What purpose does he serve with his hands out like he deserves? It's been a long day, y'all. But I talked to China before I came, right? And so today I celebrated my brother's birthday, who is no longer with us. I talked to China because I was not going to come. So she asked me what would my brother want me to do, right? When he was here, when he wasn't away at school, he was here. He would come to my shows. He was at every show. He made sure he was there. So when she asked me that, I knew that he would want me to tell him motherfucking stage. So I'm gonna do that. Then go home. So my voice been gone for a minute, but we're gonna see what we do. Okay? Y'all ready? Another piece. Your favorite? Yeah? Okay. You a poet? So now, and this time actually say some shit. Have a miracle misfit. Have a miracle misfit, a spontaneous overflow. Take all of those words and mix feelings and make your souls glow. You a spoken word. So now speak. Breathe on the mic. Bleed on the mic. Give birth to your words and adjectives. Stand up and bury your bare naked ass. So you a poet? So now spit. And this time actually say some shit. You a poet, so do what y'all do. Your job is to elevate and shake and make educate. Your job is to... That's my job. Your job is to elevate, educate, and shake and motivate. Your job is to be revolutionaries, visionaries, missionaries. Vibrate these halls, man. Don't just come out these halls, man. Shed this hall. Make everything big seem small. Be controversial. Be political. And again, you a spoken word artist. So now speak, write, and only one day every day of the week. Recite what's old and what's new. Somewhere in between the lines, you might find you. Write because it's your life. Speak because you always have a mic. Speak because you might get some small insight into what poetry is really about. You a poet? So now speak! And this time actually say some shit. I am emerging graciously in my own skin. I marvel at the stars coming within. I am waves crackling in the wind. My prayer is that you receive every message I send. I am the voice of a people. I am righteous in my own right. I am the comic when the joke is tight. I am dope as hell and fresh to death. I am Baldwin in the amen when I am no longer at ease. Support real hip-hop, please. I cry revolution from the heels of my feet. I am freedom from the crown of my head to the arch of my back. I am as serious as a heart attack. I don't know Jack, but I know Jill, and I went out that broad from her back. I am everyday learning, everyday learning. I refuse to be the token blackie. I refuse to let the society trap me. I am a poet with a purpose. Please let me go back and reverse this. I am in opposition to the 9 to 5. My plan is to get away from the everyday grind. I claim everything that's mine. I am a lyrical firefighter using the microphone as my lighter to infuse in you my personal views. I didn't like history outside school. Like Langston, I played the cool and digs our job. That's the reason I stay alive.